Right, good morning everyone. Now, I've got 3 kits. They will come in these little boxes, so you can actually use the box and decorate them. And in the kit, I'm not going to take it all out, but I will give you an idea. We've put one of these beautiful diamante pearl pins. And it's all bagged up, so I don't really want to take it all out, if you know what I mean. But I'll just take these bags out, so you can see. Right, in this one, you've got different flowers, appliques, ribbons, not ribbons, fabric. It's only a strip of fabric to make a flower with, or you can get 2 out of that actually, for the width of that, just cut it in half. You've got the pale pink cotton eyelet, you've got some lacy trim there, bows, you've got a disc you can decorate, appliques, roses, some beautiful foam roses. They are small, but they've got like a material on as well. So you've got those, and in this one you've got your little flowers and your oddments, just for you to play around with. Some little heads, rose heads, stamens, more flowers, baubles. In this one you've got a really good collection, or selection should I say, of the flower centres, small roses, cameo, beads, bead caps, you know, the bell ones, flatbacks, some charm, a charm, so diamante bling, the pearls, and 1, 2, 3. There's 4. Oh, there's the other one. 4 of the flower centre things. So you've got a selection of those. You've also got in this bag pearl string, pearl spray, and some of the applique. So that's in the kit, and it's a really nice kit. Now, I've only got 3 of them available at the moment, and it's first come, first served. And that kit is £12 plus shipping. So if anyone is interested, it's a beautiful kit for £12. You're getting a lot in it. Let me know. And it'll come in a little box that you can also alter. So there's 3 available. Let me know on this video. Now, what I'm going to do is, I have got tons. Look, I have got tons and tons of things I've collected over the years. I have another one here. See? Absolutely chocker. And it's too much for me. I just will not use it all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through it. I mean, look, there's a full necklace there. Vintage necklace. I don't need it all. It's silly. I'm getting no room. I've got all of this as well. These are all the flower centres and that I use. And it's the weight alone is pulling my shelf down. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go through it and do some bagged, just that size bags. And these are the sort of things, you know, I mean, look at these. There's nothing wrong with them whatsoever. They are diamante beads that you can use on a stick pin, or you can put, if you're making jewellery or something like that. You know, we've got bits like this. Charms. Lots of charms. Keys. Even that one. It's, you know, it's when I've dismantled jewellery. Crown. Look at that flat back crown. So I've dismantled jewellery and I just keep it all and put it all in these things. Some of it's not dismantled. I mean, even that. But somebody might make use of that. So I'm just going to do some grab bags. I mean, that. You could use that as a centrepiece, where, you know, like, put it on a ribbon, you know, as a centrepiece. It's one of those. You'll have to see what it is and what use you can make of it. Because I can't keep doing, you know, keeping it. I mean, there's these, but somebody might make use of them. That, to me, you could make wings out of that. You know, wings. But you might find a different thing for it. Charms. They will be mixed bags, and it's of, I call them, look like this. This is that, it's got a diamante on there. You could hang it like that. Take it apart, whatever you want to do with it. They're just things. And I don't want to keep, I mean, look at that. Like a frame, a diamante frame. So somebody else may as well make use of them. Cuffs, you know. I've just kept them all off of things, see? And I'm just thinking, well, why? But there you go, the world. Things like this, off of jewellery. When somebody else might make use of it. I don't need them. I've got plenty. Bird cages, you know what I mean? So I'm going to make bags up, and it'll be first come, first serve. Because it's no good to me. I have got more than enough. And while it's sat here, it's not doing anyone any good. So I'm just going to make like a pack like that up. And, I mean, obviously I'm going to charge for them. I'm not giving them away. But something like that you might be able to play around with. Oh, there's a little perfume bottle. Here, that can go as well. A little bird's nest. Oh, look. A little bird in a cage. Oh, that goes on the other one. Don't let me forget that. Oh, I nearly forgot that then, didn't I? Sorry, that's it goes in there. And they will be sent out like that. So they're £12 a box. And there's all sorts in them. Well worth it. So, like I say, what's that? Oh, a little rabbit charm. So that's going to be one bag. And I will do probably about 6 bags in total. And you'll just have to grab them. I'm going to say... 1... I'm going to say £5 bags because they're well worth it. Plus shipping. And I'll make sure you've got plenty in them. Alright? So if you're interested, this will be the first one. Anyone interested in this one, let me know. And there's a plaque, you know, like put a name thing on it. I mean, these... and where's the other one? And this were done by, is it Tim Holtz? So they're not cheap anyway, but like I say, £5 for a bag. And I'll just, it's like that. You might have to add a bead or something, I don't know. I've got, oh. See, I've got another one like that, but it'll need like pearls sat there. I might put pearls in it, actually. I'm just saying, there's oddments. Just do what you want with them. See? And they're not of any use to me. Because I've got everything I need. These are just all my spare bits. And, don't know what that is. Things I keep off of jewellery. There's a clock. Alright, so that's it. Not that one, I'm going to put pearls in that. And grab them while you can, because when they've gone, they've gone. But every now and again I always do this because we buy so much jewellery. You know, and we do. I get as much jewellery as I can from the car boots and charity shops. What I don't sell as a whole, I break apart, and because I use a lot of what I buy as well. But I grab as much as possible. That bag's not going to be big enough. Okay. I'll put it in a bigger bag. I'll just put it in these two for now. That's one whole bag for a £5. And There'll be about 6 bags. This is the sort of things you'll get in them. Maybe even a lot different. But I will give them a really good mix. And it'll be $3.45 shipping because of the weight and the thing. Okay, so that's a £5 for all of that. That's a good deal. And I'll put as many as I can on. Okay. If you want the kit, it's £12 a kit plus shipping. I'll put the details in this video. And this particular one is £5. And if you want those 3, any of those 3, or this one, say it on this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. I'll be back later with a tutorial. Bye bye for now.